In today's video, I am going to teach you how to attach files in the new Microsoft Outlook. Whether you are composing a new message, replying, or forwarding, attaching files is quick and flexible, and I'll walk you through 3 simple ways to do it. I'll also share a few practical tips so you can choose the best option for your situation. First, let's use the ribbon. With your message open, look toward the top of the window and select Attach File from either the Message tab or the Insert tab. Then choose Browse this PC. This opens your File Explorer so you can navigate to the exact folder you need. Click the file you want and select Open. If you need more than one file, you can select multiple items before clicking Open. This method attaches the files directly to your email, so the recipients receive a copy of each file along with your message, which is perfect for stable records like PDFs or finalized documents. Another easy option is drag and drop. Open File Explorer, locate your file, then click and drag it straight into the body of your email. When you drop it in, Outlook will prompt you to attach it as a traditional file or upload it to OneDrive and share as a link. Attaching as a file sends a copy in the email itself. Uploading to OneDrive keeps the file in the cloud and inserts a link for recipients. The cloud option is handy for larger files or content that might change, because you can update the file once and the link will always point to the latest version. Just remember that if you later move or remove the file from OneDrive, the link in the email won't work. You can also attach by copying and pasting. Select a file on your computer. Press Ctrl+C. Then click into the body of your Outlook message and press Ctrl+V. For many file types, Outlook will convert that paste into an attachment. If you are pasting an image, it may appear inline in the message body, which can be helpful if you want it to display within your text. On a Mac, use Command-F-C and Command-F-V. That's it. Thanks for watching.